Okay, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make an abstract object in SketchUp. First of all, we have to prepare the basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can click from this point, and then we can drag to the another direction. Then we can set a depth of this object. Okay, then now we can click this plane, and then we can push it up with any size or any height over there. Okay, and now we can draw with the freehand tool. We can click this freehand, then we can click this point, and then we can draw with abstract. We can draw with abstract shape of this object with the freehand. Okay, you can follow my drawing. Okay, this one. So you can get the uh, two plane. This is the inner plane, and this is the outer plane. So you can triple click. You can triple click this object, and then you can select a move. Then you can press Control to duplicate it, and then you can place to the parallel. You can place parallel to this first object. Okay, so the first object, I wanna release this outer plane by click this plane, and then we can click this push, then click this surface, and then we can place to this surface. Okay, so for the second object, you can click this inner surface, and then you can click plane. Sorry, you can click push, and then you can click this plane until the limit. So you can get the difference. So you can try to exercise by yourself about how to make the abstract object, and you can make group for every single object in this 3D model, and you can also assign with another material. You can also uh, assign with another material, or you can also assign with the wood material just like this. You can assign with the wood material just like this, or you can assign with the material and this material. Okay, and so you can disappear this segment line. You can disappear for every single segment line with using the right type or default tray. You can right click, and then you can click manage trays, and then you can click this default tray. And then you can click the soften edge. You can check the soften edge, and then you can close, and then you can find the soften edge in the right side toolbar or default tray. You can click the soften edge. Okay, click the soften edge, and then you can click this object. Okay, you can try to move to the right side or left side. If you move on the right side, it will be smoother than before. If you move to the most left side, you can see about the match segment line. Okay, maybe it's enough. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.